Hey everyone, I'm Vineet and I lead MyStudia. MyStudia is the unbiased study abroad platform for students with data-backed career counseling and guidance. So आज ये वीडियो में I will tell you how to choose the right course in college for you. So एक अच्छा सा फ्रेमवर्क दूंगा मैं आपको जिससे आप अपनी शॉर्टलिस्ट टॉप 10 प्रोग्राम्स इन कनाडा जो आपको जाना है उसकी शॉर्टलिस्ट बना सकते हो. इजी सा framework है, but usually what happens is students rely on agents, rely on family, friends saying, hey, like this, ये program काफी अच्छा है, ये college काफी अच्छा है, पर obviously खुद का program क्या पढ़ना है, किसमें आप $40,000 डाल रहे हो, वो एक पर्सनल डिसीजन होता है एंड कैसे आप वो बना सकते हो डिसीजन दैट आई विल शो यू टुडे. सो आज हम लोग बात करेंगे कि कैसे हाउ यू कैन चूज द राइट कोर्स एज एन इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट. It's very straightforward. So I've come up with this simple formula of sorts. जिससे काफी आप खुद के लिए easy कर सकते हो क्योंकि कितने choices, there's like thousands of choices, man. So how do you narrow it down? Foundational, first things first, कि आपका गोल क्या है, पर्सनल गोल क्या है, कि क्यों कनाडा जाना है, करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज चाहिए, लाइफस्टाइल गोल है, कोई अच्छा सैलरी का गोल है, या तो सिर्फ पढ़ने का गोल है कि अच्छा ये बहुत अच्छी इंस्टीट्यूशन में पढ़ना है, या तो फिर डाइवर्स लोगों के साथ पढ़ना है, अलग एजुकेशन एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, कनेडियन एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, बाहर का एक्सपीरियंस, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, क्या चाहिए, गोल क्या है, पर्सनल गोल क्या है. फिर देखते हैं पर्सनालिटी. पर्सनालिटी मतलब एक्सट्रोवर्ट, इंट्रोवर्ट, क्या क्या पसंद है, बड़ी सिटी में रहना पसंद है, सोशलाइज करना पसंद है, बाहर जाना पसंद है, एंड इफ यू लाइक having stuff to do on the weekends, happening जगह चाहिए, then extrovert, you might be an extrovert. Introverts are people that like smaller communities, जो लोग को बड़े crowds में नहीं पसंद, पर अपना time, अपना space चाहिए, अपने smaller towns में रह के भी काफी enjoy कर सकते हैं compared to bigger towns. Then this is that, then you might be an introvert. So लिखो, अभी लिखो कौन सा क्या गोल है आपका, क्यों जाना चाहते हो, एंड आपकी पर्सनालिटी टाइप क्या है, क्या पसंद आता है आपको, एक्सट्रोवर्ट हो या इंट्रोवर्ट हो. एंड देन वी कैन लुक एट फैक्टर्स, फैक्टर्स दैट अफेक्ट योर चॉइसेस ऑन प्रोग्राम्स, कॉलेजेस, लोकेशंस. 6 फैक्टर जिससे हम लोग डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि कौन सा कोर्स, लोकेशन और कॉलेज चूज करना चाहिए. सो पहले मनी एंड कोर्स ड्यूरेशन, सिंपल इनफ. हाउ मच ऑफ योर ईयर्स पेड, की पहले साल का ट्यूशन ऑलरेडी, फीस ऑलरेडी आपके पास रेडी है, या मतलब कनाडा आके काम करना है फर्स्ट ईयर ट्यूशन फीस पे करने के लिए. तो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज मनी इन योर डिसीजन, एंड कोर्स ड्यूरेशन क्या है. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जिनको सिर्फ एक साल करना हो, सो दैट इज चीपर, बट यूजुअली इज मोर डिफिकल्ट थोड़ा इमिग्रेशन के लिए. Usually suggested कि you take 2 year course, but and so course duration, like is it important to you, कितना important है, right? uh, then there's college and the lifestyle that you want. Personally, like कौन सी type of lifestyle चाहिए. कॉलेज में स्पोर्ट्स है, काफी क्लब्स होते हैं, चेस क्लब हो गया, any kinds of clubs, right? So how involved do you want to be, कैसा campus चाहिए. If you want like a very involving college lifestyle कि जहाँ पे काफी लोग को मिल सकते हैं, you can do a lot of things outside of school, so you choose a campus that way, right? So that is an important factor usually. Jobs while studying, right? So अगर आपका यही ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि वहाँ पे जाके मेरे को फर्स्ट साल में ही like I want to get a job part time जिससे मैं अपने लिविंग एक्सपेंस पे कर सकूँ, या तो लोन पे ऑफ कर सकूँ, या ऐसा कुछ हो, तो शायद आपको कैंपस इतना इंपॉर्टेंट ना हो, शायद आपको लोकेशन ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकती है, कि कहाँ रह रहे हो, वो ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकता है. ऑल्सो छोटे सिटीज़ में भी पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स काफ़ी अवेलेबल होती है, एंड लिविंग कॉस्ट भी कम होता है उस छोटे सिटीज़ में, राइट? सो मनी एंड जॉब्स वाइल स्टडीइंग, आई थिंक इट गोज हैंड इन हैंड. एंड ऑल्सो लाइक कॉलेज लाइफस्टाइल, लाइक इफ अगर काम कर रहे हो पार्ट टाइम while you're doing first year college, you might not be that involved. You could be actually. Yeah. I did part time, so I did part time work at a shoe sales retail position in so that was part time, plus I was studying, plus I was involved in clubs, I was in a dance team and stuff. So a lot of things there you can do, right? So think about कि क्या important है आपके लिए. Course itself and the co-op. So the course itself, क्या subject पढ़ाते हैं, 2 साल में क्या पढ़ाएंगे, क्या क्या चीज़ें cover करते हैं, and if it's interesting for you. And co-op is usually एक semester work term. So आप जाके full time काम कर सकते हो. You get paid, and in the field you can get a job. This is really helpful. I think if any one of the biggest advice that I would give to students is get co-op opportunities. Get a course that helps you get co-ops. And then there's family and friends. So a lot of students also prefer कि कहीं ऐसी city में जाए जहाँ पे friends already है, जहाँ पे family already है. Emotional support चाहिए. You want your kind of mental peace कि हाँ यहाँ पे है family, कोई तो है हमारा types. It could be important for you. Sixth, immigration goals. So a lot of provinces like Alberta, there's even like in Ontario, there's rural and northern immigration programs. A lot of provinces like there's Atlantic immigration programs. ये basically आपके लिए immigration easy कर देते. So fast track थोड़ा कर देते. PR लेना थोड़ा easy कर देते. अगर आप वहाँ पे रह रहे हो, अगर आप वहाँ पे काम कर रहे हो छोटे से cities में, उन लोग को बहुत लोग चाहिए, and so वो लोग अपने लिए easy कर देते हैं कि हाँ ठीक है, you can get a PR much easier if you live here. Obviously, ups there are like preferences matter and pros and cons, right? So these are top factors. So इसमें से अब ये 6 factors में से आप top 3 select करो. कौन से सबसे पहले 3 important priorities आपके हैं जिससे you can narrow down what courses and what programs work for you, right? So now some practical tips that I have when you're doing your course research, understand कि कहाँ क्या पढ़ने जा रहे हो. अगर if that is usually that should be important for you because you're paying $20,000, $40,000 on this. Why pay it in some for something that you don't care about, right? And it should help you beyond your career, right? So if you're taking, say, we'll go through an example actually next time. I mean, sorry, next slide. But yeah, understand what subjects you're going to study, how long is that course, कौन से campus पे है, कैसा campus है, कैसे लोग मिल सकते हैं, कौन सा city है, all of that. So location, right? So location is very important in terms of understanding कि कैसी lifestyle से. So we said personality क्या है, हम लोग ने बात की. So personality के बेस पे, money के बेस पे, college experience के बेस पे, location कैसी होनी चाहिए. That is, I think, a crucial decision that you make. Networking. So one of the things that students do is यहाँ पे आके तुरंत part time job ले लेता है, right? कि अच्छा because and it makes sense कि हाँ जितना जल्दी हो सकते है कि you can pay off your debt or you have to pay for your tuition for the pay for fees next year का. I suggest कि 1 साल का fees ready रख के आना, like ready as in pay करना, and GIC में जितना हो वो actually उसका use करना would be crucial. Why? First year जब यहाँ पे आते हैं students, you usually spend your time saying अच्छा ठीक है, like you're working part time plus you're in university college. Working part time 20 hours is still manageable, I think, but if you're in a new country, it can get overwhelming. So अगर new country में हो तो one of the biggest thing that will help you land field jobs, fastest way to get career, like your jobs in your career, is to going out and talking to people. My number one advice, I think, will be if you're going to study in a new country, spend the first year meeting people and talking to people and going out and meeting people in your industry that can also help you get jobs. Talk to more people on the campus, talk to more people in your faculty, like your professors and stuff. Those guys have a lot of connections usually in the industry. A lot of networking and going out will get you to your kind of goal a lot quicker. So if your goal is कि अच्छा यहाँ पे जाके मेरे को अच्छा career and opportunities, growth opportunities चाहिए, for example, activity should be networking throughout the first year and not part-time jobs or not more than 20 hours of work weeks. That is, I think, that will help a lot in your career in the second or third year when you're actually looking for jobs. You'll have connections. You'll know what to do. You know how to talk to people. You know how to interview for things. You know how to build your resumes. All of that will be very important. So spend some time doing that first year that you get there. And it will make your first year a lot more fun, a lot less depressing when you're in a new city because you're always around people. It is tough, but it makes it easier, I think. So anyway, using these tips, using these rankings, using these priorities, using these personal goals and personality, let's look at an example taking me. So I wrote a goal कि अच्छा मेरा goal ये है कि I want to migrate to a city of opportunities where there's growth opportunities, where I can build my successful career and grow, where I can meet cool people, where I will meet like people from diverse cultures. कि कहाँ काफी बहुत बड़ी दुनिया है, and I want to meet cool people. And so my personality, you might have guessed, it's an extrovert, going out, meeting people, socializing. So maybe because of that, I want a diverse and a big campus. I want like a campus that can give me opportunities to meet new people, to socialize and find opportunities, right? So my priority for from those six, my top three priorities will be, say, course itself and the co-op opportunity. I want the co-op because I want a field experience, and I want to know what I'm studying for. College lifestyle is one of the important things for me because as I said, I'm an extrovert, so I want that lifestyle. Immigration program, because I plan on settling here, I am prioritizing immigration programs. So now that we have all our rankings and preferences and everything we need, so now that we have all our rankings, all our priorities, preferences listed out, I go do my research. Course research, as we talked about, is the first very important thing. Um, so I go to the search page. I go to mystudia.com/search dash program. And वहाँ पे जाके I'm researching, say my preference is entrepreneurship. Right? So I'm researching कि entrepreneurship में क्या-क्या programs होंगे. Now it showed me 200 programs. Now, what I'll do is go to filters. Filter out, say I want to do a 2-year program or a 1-year program. I want to do it in Canada specifically. By narrowing it down, now I have 30 options, right? So a lot easier for me to do it. Obviously, what happens is if I type in entrepreneurship, I'll only see programs with entrepreneurship in their title. So you can also try out, say, you can also type in just co-op. You can also type in management and business programs or strategy and small business and everything, right? By the way, the advanced filters would only unlock if you logged in. So pro tip, log in and then do it. We're at my Studia search page and we're looking at programs. My top priority is the course itself. So I want to learn more about every course that I'm looking at. So let's see one of these. Yikes, I'm gonna fix this one. And I want to see, this looks nice. This is a transfer to bachelor's diploma course. Maybe it's too basic. Let's start with the one with co-op, right? Um, Actually, let's start with this one. So this is the TRU course that we selected, Diploma in Entrepreneurship. Let's see the courses, because like I said, course itself is very important for me. So I'm looking at, okay, what are the subjects that they teach? So financial management, accounting हो गया, organization. These are basic चीजें जो bachelors में भी पढ़ाते हैं. Let's look at Georgian. So I go to program website and क्या courses होंगे. So accounting, organization behavior, entrepreneurship, marketing, microcomputer applications, opportunity analysis, founders forum, strategic market planning, social entrepreneurship. This looks really cool. Pitching plan, ooh, there's entrepreneurial business operations. So this looks like a really good course, and it has 4 semesters plus 1 work term. So I get paid while I'm studying as well. I think this is a really good program. So what I'm gonna do is go here and shortlist it. Because already I shortlisted it for my dashboard. So now I think it tracks so my first priority was course and the co-op itself. College lifestyle. The college, this course is at the Barrie location. So Barrie is the main campus for Georgian. It is a massive campus. It is very diverse. It has a lot of programs and looks like a good choice on my second preference as well, college lifestyle. Immigration program. Immigration, I don't think there is no immigration programs for specifically Barrie. Ontario has it, so provincial nominee and the express entry, right? So no special treatment on that side, but that is okay. This is just one of my choices, right? So I've shortlisted the program. Abhi shortlist mein add kar diya hai. Now I'll see kya programs I've shortlisted. Based on that, I'll also see ki eligibility kya hai meri. So ye ho gaya program, and now it says I'm not eligible. Why am I not eligible? Eligible after highest level of education. So on my studio, once you shortlist programs, you'll see if you're eligible for the program or not after you fill out your profile. So profile भर दिया, फिर ये पता चलेगा कि if you're eligible, and बैचलर्स के बाद डिप्लोमा यूजुअली वीजा के लिए इतना अच्छा नहीं होता, पर this necessarily is not right. So a lot of our students come to us and message us saying, "Hey, can you unlock me this?" So hey, I would like to apply for Georgian Business Co-op diploma. Please unlock. So what I can do is send this message. It will be unlocked by the advisor here. This chat, by the way, is instant support and advice, the support channel for students that are working with my studio. And directly you talk to an international education advisor. Like I found this program that has all the winning criterias for me. So this is now one of my top choices. I find I have to now go and find 5, 6 different top choices that I want to apply at. Find my top 3. Once I have the short list, I can go to my studio and directly just pay and submit applications. So that's how I would go and select the right courses for me, right programs, right college, right location. जो important criteria है जिस पे आप $40,000 spend कर रहे हो. So let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, you can always reach me. Now what you should do is schedule a call with me after you viewed this, after you've done this. You should probably spend some time researching as well, and then schedule a call with me. Get any answers you need for studying in Canada, immigration stuff. We also have, so I'll have a certified immigration consultant on our call, and we can go from there. So hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time.